Hey guys, can you guess what we're in? A tent, obviously. Yes, but here's the thing. We're not camping. Right outside my apartment. We're not the only ones doing it either, so don't judge. Here's me and my lovely boyfriend. We're having fun in the sun today because it was really warm and now it's not. I'm still in a bikini top. It's not warm anymore. So what did you do today?
Stuff.
We slept all day almost. It was so hot in here that we just kept going back to sleep.
Been lazy.
Yes, very lazy. I made this pillow and you made this pillow. You made this pillow. So we're bored, obviously. I felt like making a vlog today. The lighting keeps flickering. It keeps getting darker and brighter. So I don't know how much of this video you guys will be able to see. I'm trying to make him laugh for you because his laugh is amazing. Come on, let me do it.
No.
Let me do it.
No.
Let me do it. Please.
No.
I love you.
No, we do.
Please.
No.
I love you.
No.
I love you.
No, we do.
I will pin you down, bitch.
Yeah. Good time.
Oh!
I'll pin you down.
I'm trying to tickle him, but he won't let me. I'm gonna cry, you know. Now he's trying to tickle me and it ain't working. Huh? What? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? Oh, come on. I love you. See, he won't laugh, but usually it's If you let me do it, I'll let you videotape.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you videotape anyway.
Okay.
Just because I don't like holding the camera.
I can see my hand.
Just directed it at my boobs. There you go. So, this is our bed.
I can't really.
And then we're going to make another bed over here for his sister. And those are my feet.
Yeah.
That's my boyfriend. And those are his feet. I got him flip-flops today. I don't like them. I like Boston Bruins.
I like them.
I like Boston Bruins, bitch.
Cool. I don't really have a favorite.
Garbage bag.
I just like everyone.
So my boyfriend made this amazing foot pillow that is cuddly as hell. I want to steal it from him. Lift your head up. I want to steal it from him. Yeah, we've been sleeping like all day. I'm gonna go outside and finish the smoke. You wanna join? No? Yeah. 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 I'm not sitting down.
I know.
I win. Isn't he cute?
No. I thought he wasn't sitting down.
Well, I am now, so I can look at your cuteness.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I made this bleed today, and it ran down his face, down his neck, all over my hands. It looked like I murdered somebody. So I go in the house, and Brandon's like, "Who'd you murder?" And I said, "No one." I walked in the house, I said, "I didn't murder anybody, I swear." He goes, "Who'd you murder?" I said, "Joseph."
I'm a ghost now.
That's what you get, bitch.
I think he got the back of my throat. I taste blood.
I have plaque stuck to my nails now. That's disgusting.
I taste blood.
Let's see. There's no blood in there. I think he's a cutie.
No.
Comment if you think he's cute.
Nobody's gonna comment now.
Fuck you. They don't comment anyway. Next you know, tomorrow morning, I got 100 comments! I only got like 21 subscribers, so I got 21 comments! Did you fart?
No.
Yes, you did. He farts a lot, and it's always like rotten.
Oh, sorry.
Nanny Betty style. Ooh, I farted. So I'm sorry for this very, very boring vlog, but we was bored. He's farting. He's shitting himself over here. He has never heard me fart. And we began the how long?
4 months.
March, April, May, June, July. 5 months. 5 months. 5 months.
Like your fingernails. Better.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay, we're gonna end this vlog because this is very boring and nobody wants to watch it. I love you guys, and keep fucking watching. Love you.